Hello and welcome to your Reiki healing to remove telepathic attachments that are unwanted, as well as psychic interference. My name is Lindsey Latham. I am a Yusui Reiki Master Teacher, and I have a knack for removing subconscious attachments. So all you have to do in order to receive this healing is make sure you listen to the whole video and say to yourself right now, yes, you accept the healing. Make sure you are also holding it into your awareness that you believe that this healing can work and that these attachments can be removed. Otherwise, it will not work. Now, take a few moments and get yourself into a comfortable position. Ideally, I would like you to be laying down in bed to do this healing. It is essential, especially the first time that you do this, that you are completely relaxed. Putting headphones on would also be beneficial, but not necessary. So don't let your mind try to talk you out of sitting and doing this because you don't have headphones. Just find somewhere to lay down, preferably in bed. Can't be on a couch, can't be on the ground. Lay down, get comfortable. Pause this if you need to, because I am going to be getting started. If you don't hear me saying anything, just listen to the music and relax and to know that the healing is taking place. Allow my voice to guide you through this meditation healing, and do your best to envision my words. Paying attention to your breath, keeping a connection with your physical body. Envision your energetic body getting up as I guide you by your hand and walk you to a chair that is sitting in the middle of the room you are in. Have a seat in the energetic chair and sit down. Keeping your eyes closed, knowing that you are safe, your physical body is safe, your energetic body is safe. I am completely taking care of you. The Reiki is completely protecting you. You have nothing to be afraid of. You are protected. Stay seated in this chair and feel the energy of safety around you, of peace and presence. Now, bring into your awareness the telepathic interference that has been causing havoc in your inner space and life. Call in the person if you are aware of who they are. If not, that's okay. Just bring into your awareness the telepathic interference as a whole, as you are now objectifying the telepathic interference. If it is a specific person, call that person to you by name, just by thinking it right now. Don't be afraid. I am representing you as well as protecting you through this process. This must take place to remove the attachment. It is normal if you see with your third eye this person coming to you. This is a good thing. Don't be afraid. Now that this person or the telepathic interference has arrived, you notice a thin, almost iridescent cord connecting you and this person or this interference. This or these, it may be more than one cord. These are what I am removing from your energetic field and then sending it on its way. So right now, observe me dissolving those cords into thin air as I tell the interference that you no longer want to be connected to their energy and their interference. And I command on behalf of you, this interference, attachment, leave now and never return. You may witness the interference or this person exiting. They may dissolve into thin air. Whatever your experience is, it's valid. And I am now creating dimensions of walls and locks to prevent this interference attachment from ever returning to your energetic field. Now, staying put in the energetic chair that I have guided you to, feel my energy walk behind you and place my hands on your shoulders and provide Reiki for you that is sealing your energy, removing any blockages, removing any cracks or deformation that has taken place from the removal. Envision a bright, pale, golden pink color of light surrounding your body as well as filling up your body. This angelic light is a protection that will stay with you as long as you allow it. Now my hands are going to the top of your head and at the back of your head, down in the back of your neck, to further the seal of the healing and to further the protection. And now I am witnessing the light emanate from within your body to the outside of your body, to filling up the whole room that you are in. I am now going to guide you back to your body. I do so by holding your right hand and helping you up out of the chair, and I guide you back to your body that you are now getting back in now for reintegration into consciousness. Thank you for this opportunity. You may open your eyes, take a deep breath. I am now going to conclude this healing by removing the energetic cords that we have entertained between each other and ending the healing by a clap that will take place in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. You may listen to this guided healing as many times as you like. It will compound and get stronger and stronger. The more relaxed you can make your physical body, the better. I suggest putting this on when you lay down to go to bed, maybe even putting it on repeat, because me guiding this healing will just keep calling in different interferences for you to remove. And as long as you give permission, then the healing will work. You can do this exercise over and over for different interferences. So say that a new attachment pops up. Well, you can just turn this guided healing back on and do it again over and over. It's not going to hurt you. It's only going to heal. Reiki is not capable of doing anything but healing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you are interested in doing a Reiki certification with me and becoming your own practitioner, please follow the Linktree link in the description and fill out the contact form on my website. Be sure to follow the link to my website. Please share with your family and friends that you think that this healing would help, and have a blessed day, life, moments. I love you. Bye.